got a shawty, and she's gone. Yeah, I might do it all night long. I got a shawty, she did me wrong, but I might do it all night long. Yeah, I'ma blow up in a second.
Remember, guys, I am giving away an Xbox X as soon as I hit 1K subscribers. All you have to do is subscribe and turn your bell notifications on. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. Yo, guys. How's it going, guys? How's it going? It's Marv back with another video from Everything Beamer. And today's video is the second day since I had my little baby right here. Finally got dropped off to me yesterday. And I just took it straight to where I didn't get a chance to record. So today I'm going to be doing that. Today also I'm going to be taking the caps off my M3. So I do have a tune coming, Alphin Alex. I don't know if you guys know him, but he's big in the Beamer community with tuning. So I have that tune. This is the only second day of me owning this car. So I'm doing all of this. And it's only been the second day. I do have my babies right here. These are my new paddle shifters. So I'm gonna put these on right now. Also got my stickers here. So that's that. But with that being said, let's get started, man. I'm starting off by putting these new paddle shifters on. Then we're gonna move on from there. I got some homies I'm gonna meet up at the gas station. We're all gonna go to the muffin shop together because my homeboy with Audi has he wants to do a little exhaust with his shit too. I'm not sure what he's doing, but just know he has an A6. It's supercharged and it sounds pretty good. But yeah, we're just gonna get started like that, man. Let's get it. Guys, unfortunately, my paddle shifter did not fit on. This game got a little update. For some reason, they're a little too big. And yeah, is what it is. Can't really do nothing about it. I'm gonna try to see if I can exchange them and maybe like get my money back for them. You know, eBay, you know what I'm saying? You never know. So, took an L on that, but we're about to take a couple W's today. It's gonna be a very good day. I can tell now. This car is gonna sound totally different from right now, where it sounds now. I just can't wait. Let's get started, man. Do a couple pulls real quick, man. Might as well for the one time. Got here, man. Met up my boy Ed. I said A6 supercharged. I know you boys see it, man. Look at the fitment. This shit's crazy. You guys hear this shit wind up. Once it started winding up, man, it's about to go blast off. I mean, like a rocket ship, bro. One of the 5 Audis I've seen in this city, for sure. Hopefully everything goes out planned today. If I have time today, I will be doing a tune, but it will be on another video. It will not be this video. So yeah, stay tuned. But I'm gonna get my rod bearings done. I know you guys are gonna talking about it in the comments, getting the hot rod bearings. Yes, the rod bearings are serious, I know that, and I am gonna get it done pretty soon. But for now, I'm just gonna focus on my mods and what I want it to look like first. When I get done with this, guys, the car is gonna be simply amazing. I don't know what else to tell you guys. Like, I don't know, man. I'm just kind of excited about it. Kind of, you know, kind of very excited. But way to the exhaust shop right now. Yes, sir. Look at this guy whine, bro. Kick it up or not? So we finally arrived here. Got a wheels right behind me. You know what I'm saying? There's a couple people in front of us. I think like maybe 2 people in front of us. Some guy with a Mustang V6. You know how that shit goes. So just some guy with a truck. I don't know how long it's gonna be. Hopefully it doesn't be that long. But you got dibs on next regardless. You need a little wash. So yeah, regardless, get this shit done. Open up the air system on this car a little bit, man. Let it breathe like a real V8 should. Justin pulled up. Yes, sir. That boy Justin pulled up. 335. All foreign game. Yes, sir. What's up, man? You got here fast as hell. What's going on? That boy sliding out here. This shit look fire. Y'all boys getting an X-Pipe, he's gonna get a muffler elite. He has a custom-made muffler for him. So he's gonna do it that. See? Shit, fire. Gotta see them results. Him, man. So what's up, man? What you do, bruh? What you do with the Audi?
So what we did, we got rid of the baby resonators up front, put the magnaflow up there, and then we got rid of the it's called the soup placement flue, and we put an X pipe there, so she'll give me a little, you know what I mean, a little bit of noise out of it, nothing too crazy, but
that shit gonna sound crazy. It's gonna sound crazy, bruh. Popping for years, boy. Moment of truth, man. Go, man. You got on the rack. End results, man. That shit sound crazy. Hey, them pops are crazy, bruh. Alright guys, unfortunately you only have time to cut off 2 cats today. I'm gonna come back tomorrow and finish the muffler. So don't try to crank, man. Don't try to crank me in the comments talking about why didn't you delete your muffler. Man, I ain't have time to, man, unfortunately. But with that being said, it's almost done. Taking the cats out right now. I can't wait to show you guys the results. And I just know it's gonna be loud. I hope it's loud. I want to be loud as possible. I want to wake up everybody that's around me. You know what I'm saying? I'm that type of dude. But anyways, stay tuned, man. I'll be right back. Hopefully by the time I record next, this will be done. And you guys see the final product. Yeah, get it, man. Let's start it. Imagine, bruh. It's crazy. You guys, this car sounds crazy. She sounds so fire. This shit sounds crazy as fuck. Conclusion, guys, I love my new exhaust. Even though I got 3 cats done, I believe. I'm getting the rest done tomorrow, so just stay tuned for that. Man, I'm just kind of excited for this build. I always tell you guys this, stay tuned, man. I'm gonna be dropping a lot of more hits. I know it's been a little week since I haven't posted. It's only because I've been on vacation, but just vibe with me, man. Especially with the Beamer, man. Vibe with me. By the way, guys, I will be showing you guys some extra clips before the video will end, so stay tuned for that as well. And with that being said, I'm all out, man. Keep that boost high and that stress low for those M54 and M55 users, man.